Then the next concept we are getting for dice or dice. If you are throwing a dice, then what are the possible outcomes if you throw one die? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the possible outcomes if you are throwing one die. Either you are getting 1, either you are getting 2, 3, 4, it may be 5, it may be 6. Then the question is, write down the question and write down all the answers. Probability of getting 2 on the dice. Then one time we are getting 2. Total number of outcome we are getting 6. Probability of getting even number. Probability of getting odd number. Probability of getting prime number. These are the questions which you are getting. Then first of all you have to observe how many numbers are even. Then for this you must have the knowledge of even and odd number. Prime number, which one are the prime numbers? The smallest prime number is 2. Then you should learn this. 2, 3, 5. These 3 are the prime numbers. And if we have to find the probability of getting prime number, then 3 and total number of outcome is 6. Means 3 upon 6, 1 by 2. Then you have written the answers of all these. And the next one you are getting, if you are throwing a dice, if you are throwing 2 dice together, here you are throwing 1 die, and if you are throwing 2 dice together, then the sample space, the possibilities you are getting, either you are getting 1 1 on both the dice, or you are getting 1 2, 1 3, 1 4. Write down all the outcomes what we are getting if you are throwing 2 dice together. And when we are writing the sample space, then concept should be in your mind up to which value you have to write. And these are the possible outcomes if you throw 2 dice together. And what we are observing, how many outcomes we are getting here? 36 outcomes we are getting. When we throw 1 dice, we are getting 6 outcomes, and if you throw 2 dice together, you are getting 36 outcomes. If you throw 3 dice together, then you are getting 216 outcomes. Means the general formula we are getting for finding the sample space is 6 raised to power n. For dice, if you are putting n equal to 1, 6 raised to power 1 is 6, for this reason 6. 6 raised to power 2 is 36, and if 3 dice are thrown together, then we are getting 216. Similarly, so on, if you are throwing the dice, we are using the similar concept. Now the question is, write down the question, you have to find the probability of getting same number. Probability of getting same number on both the dice. Question is clear? You have to find out the favorable event having the same number on both the dice. And this you are getting 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. How many favorable outcome we are getting? 6. Total we are getting 36. We are getting 1 by 6. Next question is, what will be the probability of getting even number on both the dice? Then we have to observe the even values. This you have to leave because it is started with 1. 1 is an odd number. This we have to leave. This we have to leave. Only 3 columns we have which are started with the even numbers. Then out of these also you have to observe the even number on both the dice. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means only 9 outcomes we are getting, the favorable outcomes. Then 9 upon 36. Question is clear? Next question is, what will be the probability of getting a multiple of 3 on both the dice? Multiple of 3 on both the dice. Observe the value, find out the multiples of 3. Then again, if multiple of 3 we needed, it means that we are starting from this one, 3a. Then this one, 3 3, 3 6. These two are the multiples. Here if you are observing, we are not getting any multiple. Here if you are observing, we are not getting any multiple. Here we are getting the multiple 6 3 and 3. Only 4 we are getting. Then 4 upon 36. These kind of simple questions will be asked in the examination. Then you have to write the sample space first. Then according to the sample space, you are able to write the values. Then write down one more question. And the last concept of this chapter is, if some cards are given to you and write down the question, cards are having the numbers 23 to 154. 23 to 154. Find the probability of getting odd number. Find the probability of getting odd number. Some cards are given to you and on these cards these numbers are written. You have to find the probability of getting a card and the card you are getting of odd number. Tell me the answer for this. First of all, you have to tell me how many cards are there, the total number of cards. And then you have to tell the favorable cards. Means the odd number that you are getting. And then we are able to find the probability. Yes, so will tell me the total number of cards. 130. 2 2. 131 total cards we are getting. Any other answer? No one. Yes, 132 is the correct one. How will you get the total number of cards when these kinds of numbers are given? What we are observing, 23 is also written on the card and 154 is also written on the card. It means that we have to include that 2 card also. Then in these kinds of situations, what we are doing, suppose this I am taking as n, small n, the starting number, and this one I am taking as small m, the last number, and I am subtracting these two, m minus n plus 1, and this is the total number of cards. This concept you have to remember. If you are getting these kinds of questions, then the total number of cards we are getting as m minus n plus 1. Means 154 minus 23 plus 1. Concept is clear? Always in these kinds of questions you have to use this concept. And here we are getting 154 minus 23 plus 1. Means 155 minus 23. And if we are subtracting these two, 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 132 is the total number of cards. Then for finding this, we are getting 130. And if total number of cards is 132, then out of these total number of cards, how many are even and how many are odd? Then this also we know, if 100 numbers we have, then 50 are odd, 50 are even. Then out of these 132 cards, half of this is odd and on solving this, we are getting the probability. Question is clear? Then you have to solve the questions from the exercise, and any question, if you are finding any problem, you may ask that question.